YouTube, what up? It's your boy Luke. I'm back again, boat detailing. And on this boat detail, we're gonna lay down some protection. We're gonna clean it, and we're gonna protect it using DIY detail products. Really great car detailing products. This stuff also will work on gel coats or RVs. It's just, good all-around protection for just about anything. So this is a new boat, 2021 Robalo. There's no oxidation or UV damage happening to the gel coat yet, so we don't need to do any polishing or compound any of that stuff. We just need to clean it, and we're going to throw on some protection, give it some hydrophobics, make it easier to clean, and slow down any oxidation or UV damage. That will eventually do this. Yeah. The next level up would just be a ceramic coating, which is also super good on gel coat. Okay, here is what I do. We're gonna do it on the hull. I already did the top. I'll cue some footage in there, but this is what we're gonna do. Bucket of soapy water. Inside the bucket soap of the water, DIY Incredisets. Super good soap, easy to use, super concentrated, rinses well, no film. If I didn't say good cleaning, good cleaning. Take your brush of choice. This is just my sure-hold brush that I use on my long pole. We're just gonna do it by hand here. So just work this section. Gently cleaning. If you want, if you're doing this on your own boat and you got some water spots, then you can get you need a mineral deposit remover. DIY Detail also has one of those. After you would wash like this, then you would come in and you could apply mineral deposit remover, and make sure if you use that, you thoroughly rinse it, because it is acidic. You don't want to leave acidic stuff without neutralizing it with water or alkaline. So, dirty hole is now a clean hole. We've got water sheeting, not much hydrophobics or activity. There's really no protection on here. It's been sitting stored over winter time, so I'm not expecting it to do anything. Throws away. And here's the first of the magic combo. Quick beads, DIY Detail, quick beads. This is a graphene ceramic sealant spray. It's water activated, so this is important. You want car or boat or whatever to be wet. It says graphene in it, so it's kind of dark in the bottom. It'll settle, so you gotta shake. Fine mist, and we'll just do like this. 1, 2, 3, and 1 to grow on. You want to wait, 30 seconds. I think it's no longer than 2 minutes. And if you don't need that much, that was like probably max amount. Yeah, okay, 30 seconds. And then when you do this, because it's water activated, you want to evenly distribute the product. So I did like 4 sprays. So I'm gonna start by water hose, sort it in the up angle, and try and push that product around so it gets everywhere. And then it'll start to white foam, and you want to rinse until that foam is gone. That's just the product activating with the water. Something like this, you can see immediate water beading. Really good water behavior. Just It went from a slow sheet to quick beads. Hi. Okay, well that's that part. So you would just do the entire hull. I would like wash the hull, rinse the hull, do quick beads one side, and by the time you come back, start rinsing, and that's it. You can quit there, or we can go one more level, which we're gonna do. Next step, we're gonna be using ceramic gloss. So this is just the ceramic, no graphene, ceramic sealant. You can use this couple ways, multiple ways. There we go. If you're going to be drying with a towel, drying towel, this is what I'd be doing. This is the with a towel method. You can come in here, you're going to do a little bit on your towel. This is going to be a drying aid, more protection, and a towel lubricant. You're going to put one there, and you're just going to dry the boat with that in your towel. Okay. I would suggest it like a proper drying towel though, not this like utility towel. This is what I have. You want a twist loop drying towel, and there, that would be that. There. So section done. And that's it. You would have the quick beads base and the ceramic gloss as a topper. And for a boat, like if this got you like 3 months, that would be pretty awesome. So the other way you would do it would be a dry application. Just gonna come in, whatever your drying tool of choice is. And then you would want it completely dry. Right. And this is like the same process I did on the top side of the boat. I did the non-skid and all the smooth and the windscreen and the top, and I did ceramic gloss on the vinyl. It's all good. So this would be your other way, would be as, you know, dry application. This will probably give you better durability with the dry application. One spray, and then you're just gonna, man, it's so slippery. Quick Beads is awesome stuff. So is this ceramic gloss. Oh, like all the DIY products are awesome. And cool thing is, if you're shopping on there and you use code Luke10, I'll throw it on the screen, you can get 10% off your order. Anything from DIY Detail. I'll leave the links to all the goodies I used in the video in the description. So that's that. So ceramic gloss is going to go like boat. You can go on the stainless. Like I said, I put it on the vinyl. It just doesn't have a conditioner in it, but it's protection. So the top was washed, quick beaded, and then dried, and then dry application of ceramic gloss. And then, yep. The sucker's good. Okay. Yeah. So that's these 3 products on a boat. SUDS soap. You can also rinseless wash. I've done that quite a few times. That's pretty cool. And then the base there is quick beads, again, graphene, ceramic infused, graphene infused ceramic sealant right there on the bottle. DIY, really good stuff. Simple product line, easy to use, work exceptional, and cool guys. Yeah, okay. There we go. Okay, thanks for watching. See you on whatever's next.